Hi, yeah! Welcome back to Silverpunk. In today's video I'll be using a 3D print and a metal sandcasting process to make a solid silver gaming console classic. Now this caused me no end of barney rubble.
Barney rubble. Trouble!
So sit back and watch me almost lose my mind trying to do this sandcast. So I'm just trying to work out here which way I'm going to pour it. So let's get some powder on it and then we'll start getting the sand on. So yeah, as I said, it caused me no end of trouble. So it's, yeah. Now this little one, it does look simple and I thought I was going to have an easy day of it, but it's got them little lines. If you see on the cartridge, the side of the cartridge, it's got all the little lines going down. So I had to really impact some sand in them to try and get the lines to come out, and it's just caused me, you know, the simplest things. You'd have thought this would be easy. There is a saying that says something to do with the hardest things to do are the most simplest, and I never used to believe it, but after trying this pour, I 100% totally agree. I mean, to me, it just looked like a square with a few lines on. I thought I was going to smash it out of the park. I thought it was going to be easy, but no, I just had problems. It took me 3 or 4 attempts just to get an impression that I thought would come out. So here we go. I'm pushing the sand in, lamping it on, and yeah, it was great learning curve, this one. So here we go. As you can see, I'm trying to pull it out now, and as you'll see around the edges, it's all splitting on me. Because what I didn't realise until 2 or 3 goes, and it's actually quite, it's got like little, I don't know what you call them, it's not exactly a square, it's got like chamfered edges, beveled edges to the back of it. So it just kept on ripping the sand out, and I was going, what's going on? And then I noticed, I was like, oh right, okay, I can't push it completely, submerge it, I have to do it half and half. So I went away and I redone it.
Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a very exciting unboxing for you today. Now I've really been looking forward to receiving this. Now this is actually from PowerCoin, and for those of you that haven't heard of PowerCoin, they're a very prestige coin company based in Italy I believe, and they produce some really stunning artwork on coins. Now it's definitely not the type of, just going to put myself a vitamin drink there, GTS style. Now it's definitely not the type of coins that you would stack, so this isn't a website where you're going to get really close to spot deals and stuff if you want to kind of weight stack and buy as close to spot as possible. I brought quite a few pieces from their website, and again, as you can see, it came so well packaged. Now I know who's going to end up with these. A very good friend of mine that's also in the stacking community and creates content, really likes receiving these, so I always put them to one side, ready for when I next send him something. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so we've got one box here, but I've seen it, so I know what this looks like already because I've actually seen it on their website, and I also saw it on people's videos at the Berlin coin show, and I can't wait to see how it looks in the hand. Look at that. So this is actually a coin, I believe. I believe it has a face value. Yep, there we go. It's got a face value, but it's shaped like an old school floppy disk. Now there's definitely going to be some people watching my videos, KYH I can think of as the first person that has probably never ever seen one of these. But these were the equivalent of CDs essentially. So back in the day when computers were kind of first a thing, you didn't have CDs, you had floppy disks. A fantastic replica. And to think this is solid silver, 3/9 fine silver, is insane. I don't know if this bit moves. No, so on the originals, this bit actually moves, and behind it is the film that contains the data on it. And the reason I tried to move it is because it looks like it does move. It actually looks like that slides across, but it doesn't.
Thanks for watching Silverpunks. If you want more interesting silver pouring videos, don't forget to subscribe.